Close your eyes for a beat. Imagine a small humming machine on your nightstand, like a secret instrument. It waits. It does not demand. It offers a different kind of attention, steady, patient, insistently curious. For many of us, in midlife or menopausal transition, desire can feel like a language we suddenly forget. Machines can be a translator. They do not have expectation. They remember to vibrate. I once found a tiny device in a curious little shop. Wrapped in velvet, like a relic, an old woman told me, half joking, half solemn, that it used to belong to a city witch who sold spells of comfort. It was an urban legend, of course, but the idea stuck. A tool that hums stories into the body. That night, I learned something simple, that a steady sensation can wake up memory in muscles and nerves that recent hormones had softened. It was not magic, it was tendon. Here are quick, practical steps you can try tonight. Safe, simple, and designed to reopen curiosity. Choose something approachable. A small, quiet vibrator or a suction-style stimulator works well. Think soft silicone, rechargeable battery, and several intensity settings. Read a few reviews. Choose a trusted brand and keep it simple. Number 2, set the scene like an experiment, not a performance. Dim light, a playlist you like, maybe a familiar scent. No pressure to finish. Give yourself 5 minutes of pure exploration. Time it, if you like. Curiosity thrives in low-stakes labs. 3, start low. Turn the machine on to a gentle setting. Let the sensation be an observation. Move it near skin that feels good. Arms, inner thighs, chest, before the genitals. This remaps touch to pleasure slowly. 4, use plenty of lubricant. It reduces friction and lets the device glide, which often feels better as sensitivity shifts with 8. Water base is safe with most tolerant. 5, vary location and rhythm. Machines can be focused on external areas or held against the body. Try different spots and different pulse patterns. Note which patterns make you lean in and which you ignore. 6, breath and attention matter. Slow breathing, short breaths, or playful panting all change sensation. Try syncing breath to a pulse pattern. Breathe into the pelvic floor, then relax. Pelvic floor contraction, gentle like a wink, can magnify response. Now, add imagination. Remember a warm memory, a bright color, a silly urban legend, like the witch's hunting device. The brain is the best amplifier. Fantasy is biofeedback. Bait. Keep a tiny log. Right time, device, setting, body spots, and your pleasure level. Over a week, you will see this is research on your own body, exact and useful. Number 9, layer other sensation. A warm cloth, a cool spoon, or soft touch elsewhere can make the machine feel new. Remind your nervous system. It can learn new math. 10, safety first. Clean your device. Use only when skin is intact. Stop if it hurts. If medications or medical conditions affect libido, and talk with a clinician. Pelvic floor therapy and hormone options are real and helpful. One last thing, the myth we tell ourselves about loss forever is the loudest witch in the room. Machines are not a pet. They're a tool to retrain attention, to rekindle curiosity, to remind you that desire can be coaxed back, quietly and experimental.
Tonight, try 5 minutes.
One device, one breath, one note about how it felt. Collect the data. Be kind. Repeat. Curiosity turns into habit, and habit turns into surprise.